Want to trade smarter, not just react to the market? Vantage Academy is an educational platform designed to help traders better understand how global markets work. It brings together articles, structured courses, webinars, and reference tools in one place. In this video, we'll take a quick look at how the platform is organized and what learning resources it offers. One of the main components of Vantage Academy is its library of educational articles. The platform hosts more than 400 articles covering a wide range of trading topics. Content is organized both by asset class, such as Forex, commodities, indices, ETFs, and precious metals, and by topic, including trading guides and technical analysis. Built-in filters allow users to narrow content by category, making it easier to find relevant material depending on their interests or experience level. These articles can serve different purposes: learning basic concepts, reviewing specific tools, or exploring unfamiliar markets. For beginners, Vantage Academy offers several structured courses designed as step-by-step learning paths. There are dedicated tracks for Forex, stocks, indices, and gold. Together, these courses include more than 600 minutes of content, combining short lessons, practical explanations, and quizzes. The emphasis here is on structure, guiding users through foundational topics in a logical sequence rather than presenting isolated lessons. The platform also includes downloadable ebooks for traders who prefer long-form learning. One of the core publications is a comprehensive trading ebook produced in collaboration with Bloomberg Media Studios. It covers market basics, CFDs, trade setup, and safe haven instruments, and is available for free. In addition to static content, Vantage Academy provides access to live and recorded webinars. These sessions focus on market news, technical and fundamental analysis, and broader economic themes. Webinars add a practical layer to the platform, allowing traders to see how theoretical concepts are applied to current market conditions. Another section worth noting is the terminology area, a glossary of trading terms and concepts. It functions as a reference tool, helping users understand common market language and technical expressions without leaving the platform. Overall, Vantage Academy is structured as a centralized educational resource rather than a single learning format. By combining articles, structured courses, webinars, ebooks, and reference materials, the platform aims to support traders in building knowledge gradually and consistently. It is designed to complement independent learning and provide context for understanding how financial markets work.